right now it is a nice place, unit 4 given by Goa Shipyard, and it is having it is a clean place with toilets, with air conditioning, everything. Minimum 50 to 60 beds can come, along with facilities for doctor and the nurse and the support staff. So it is a good place. Symptomatic patient कितलेशे आसतले, थोडे आपोआप बरे जाता घरा रावन. सगळे आमी सांगता ते पालन केल्यार, बरो डायट मेंटेन केल्यार थोडे कितले जाण by themselves they are getting cured. Is it not? It is a fact. No? Decided panchayat wise. But as you know, if necessary, we are going on adding more and more space for this particular facility. If required, we will do it at if the number of cases increase. But right now what we are expecting, and it was expected also, till the end of July, the graph was expected to peak. After that we expect it to fall. So we are still waiting for the peak, and also hoping for the best for it, for graph to come down. Them आताच तांकां सगळ्यांक मेळून विचारलं, less than a week.
सर कोर्तालीम कुठे असतले? कोर्तालीम
बाकीचे सगळे सेंटर चालू आसतले. तशें जुवारीनूय आपलें काम चालू दवरलां. जुवारीनूय आपले ओन टेस्टिंग स्टार्ट केला. आपले वर्करांक फॅसिलिटी जाय त्यो तेय दिता. बट here is one disease, here is something affecting everyone, where everyone has to chip in something or the other, create a new facility. Still it will not be enough. All of us are coming together for that only. There is no way of monitoring each and every house. Take the symptoms tuka aile and tuka dista you are a severe case, you have fever, you are coughing, you are breathless, you have to go to the center.